Today I learned something important. English. It's not about words. It's about what Americans hear. If you're learning English or working with Americans, this video might save your job. Let's talk about English mistakes. That sounds polite, but are actually dangerous. This one is my favorite. I said, I will try. I thought it sounds positive, but American heard this will never happen. In America, I will try is a soft no. This word small, very small, but very dangerous. I said, sure, yes. I mean, yes. They heard, I don't care, please stop talking. I thought this was friendly. I said, no problem. Americans heard there was a problem, and now it's a quack. This word sounds smart. I said, actually, they heard you are wrong, even if they were wrong. This one is very direct. I said, you must do this. American heard, I'm your boss now. They didn't like that. American don't say no. They say, I'll think about it. Which means, no, never. Please stop asking. This sentence is legally polite, emotionally zero respect. Everyone knows what's coming next. I said, just a second. 5 minutes passed. Now the vibe is gone. Americans don't apologize a lot, like English people. I said sorry again, and again. Now I look guilty. I didn't do anything. These words sound confident. I said, basically, they heard I have no idea what I'm saying. So, English is not hard. English is work. If this felt familiar, welcome to the club. More English fail are coming. Yeah, English is weird. Nice. Bye bye.